You know, nothing means more to me than this gang, the bond we share. It's the most real thing to me. I would kill for it, I would happily die for it.
Psychologist, wet dream, cocaine and caffeine. Welcome to the dead team. Leave a bitch floating like she in the Dead Sea. Police to find GHB in her bloodstream. I daydream about a guy in mainstream MTV base, you can see me in HD. But my blaspheming gets deemed extreme, so I take ecstasy to raise my self-esteem. But these pills got me thirsty. Pills got me sweating like a nonce in the nursery. I smoke blessed cause the good Lord cursed me. My weed got the same passport as Van Persie. You consign, you best reimburse me, or I will put you in a hearse, no mercy. Firstly, gotta let you know that my blow might just affect you adversely. I got this young chick waiting for me at home, and she knows the only answer to me alone. And it's not cause I'm handsome, no, it's cause her parents ain't responded to the ransom, no. I'm trying to fill up my hands with dough, cause I still got plans, you know. Might be dead, it won't stop me though. You reap what you sow.
Make yourself comfortable, man. Yo, man, check my designs. Okay, dude, you're wearing it.
من دیار دوری میام و تو ماری تو من حال مسیر سفر توی طولانی بودن هم سفر کلمه ایه که شده گم لحن تمسخر تو نشونه پوشالی بودن کسی نبود وقتی از قطب نمای ترد فهمیدم خلوت آشیونمه کسی نبود وقتی لای اهرمای ترس فهمیدم وحشت خالی بودن من دیار شوخی ها و تنه های جدی دیار مرگ های لحظه های حسی دیار سوز دادن پشت وفاداری ها
Get it packed, next day through the mail. For 12, don't wanna go to jail. my trap say jumping off the new. Trap say booming, yeah, that's what he say. If a trap really booming, take you out like a hey. In the spot all day on the phone making plays in the kitchen, 3 skills, no play. Bring the pack to your house, you ain't even gotta wait. Double bag and seal, you don't even gotta wait. I friend 3 packs, you ain't even gotta pay. Just move real fast with the bread in this day. Cause I got clientele, moving through the mail. The dope it come in bills, double package like you sell. I don't need no scale, keep it ratchet, it's on the sale. I got the drink as well, orange soda, keep it gale. Fuck the feds and fuck the judge. Fuck the cops, they catching slugs. Fuck the laws, I'm selling drugs. Fuck the job, I'm busting jugs. Fuck the feds and fuck the judge. Fuck the cops, they catching slugs. Fuck the law, I'm selling drugs. Fuck the job, I'm busting jugs. Tell me what you want. I got clientele, send it to me, I'ma get it up. Wake up early in the morning just to go and count it. Wake up early in the morning just to go and count it. I got clientele, I got clientele. 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 Send it through the mail, send it through the mail. Hello, dropping over Revo. My niggas moving that blow. I got kush pills and elbow. All that bullshit like D-Rose. I'm a short shot free throw. Your girlfriend a G.O. And you say her hero. Hold up, all of my niggas is ratchet as fuck. Sliding no play like we slapping the fuck. Nigga play crazy, I'm clapping them up and I'm pumping my trunk when I'm back in the front. Pumping the ladies just serving that lean. 100 licks running walk in my team. More like a rocket, hoe call me Hakeem. I'm stacking that green, call like y'all me. I know that you got all that shit that you thought. Talking that talk, but not walking that walk. Get hit with the eagle or put with the hawk. Fucking these deals, I knew it's the score. I got clientele, I got clientele.
Take